Hi there, it's 3D Thursday, an example of something that I think is dramatically and demonstrably different. And today's example comes from some guys in Sheffield, a business called Open House Pictures. Joe and Dan do videography, and I referred them to somebody who I thought they could actually supply their services to. And in the post 2 days ago, I got this wonderful bar of chocolate with my name on it. Lovely example of AI, authentic interaction. Taking some time to personalise the experience and thanking me. Simple stuff, made me smile, made me feel valued, and well, got me talking about it. What could you do to demonstrate you care about your customers with some authentic interaction? Have a go, try it. And till then, keep safe, keep healthy, keep thinking in 3D. We'll see you soon. Bye.